and then you got parts of its brother stuck to it up above, like its twin, kind of in its shoulder, some hair and teeth. All right, welcome to the Jerry Brazy Cooking Minute. Here we go real fast. First, no, we're not drinking this or cooking with that. That's bad. So I have two choices this morning. I've got the oatmeal cookie, or I have the treasure that goes in here. Now first, whatever I do, you got to make sure that you take your milk and you want 1 small glass of milk to mix with the cookie. You might get 2 cookies out of the 1 glass of milk, but chances are you're only going to get 1 cookie. It depends on how you like your cookie to milk mixture inside of your mouth. Now, I can guarantee you this amount of milk would not work for one of these oatmeal cookies. Will not work. That's a 2 oatmeal piece of milk or glass of milk. But if we crack this open and you have this, and you pick the right one, it's very important which one you pick. Now see, this one I'm going with because, I don't know if you get in here tight, Kathy, you got the cookie, and then you got the frosting, and then you got parts of its brother stuck to it up above, like its twin, kind of in its shoulder, some hair and teeth. That's what I'm talking about. That, my friends, is a 1 small glass of milk cookie. Let's see. Oh, so good. The way the twin mixes with the other cookie, like its brother. Oh, the taste of hair. Perfection.